We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung Galaxy phone that won't turn on, won't charge, or has a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying because you're then unable to go and use the device. You may go and think that it's broken, but don't worry, with the help of this video, we're hopefully going to be able to go and fix it and go and get it working again. So make sure watch the entire guide. You don't want to go and skip a part as you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. First of all, what you want to try doing is grabbing its charging cable. I know you may already have tried this, but it's definitely worth doing, so you want to go and try plugging it in. Also, the guides and methods in this video are going to go uncover whether it's just suddenly gone black or whether you haven't used it for a long time and it now is. So first of all, go and charge it like so. Let it go and start charging just for a little bit, and then what we can try doing is you want to go and hold down the side button here. We should go and hold it down for around 10 seconds, and what you can do is go and see if it will then go and start up. Hopefully it will, and then hopefully you're going to be able to go and use it. Now, if you find that it isn't starting up, then the next thing you're going to try doing is a force restart. So what we can do is a button combination in order to try doing this, because often what can happen is there's just some type of software problem. And then what you can hopefully go and do is go and resolve it by doing this. So what we're going to do is go and hold down the volume decrease and the side button here. So what you want to do is go and start tapping and holding these together. And now you want to go and wait. This process can take around 10 to 20 seconds. So keep them held down like so. And what we're going to do is keep them held down until we go and see the boot logo. And at that point, you can then go and release as it's now starting again. So hopefully doing this will then go and restart it and go and get it working again. As you can see, it's now coming back on. So hopefully we've now gone and resolved it. Now, if you're still finding that it isn't coming on, what you want to try doing is going and checking the charging port. So what can happen is that dust, lint or debris can be in there, which is preventing it from charging, which is why it isn't then turning back on. So you can try blowing in there, and then you can try charging it again and repeating the steps in this video. And hopefully we're then going to go and get it working and you can use it again. Leave a like if you found this useful.